All right, dynamic components. How are we doing? All right, dynamic components. So maybe there's a bunch of stuff that you should put on the page. They don't, belong there all the time, but you don't want them there none of the time. You want stuff to show up when it makes sense. So there's a really easy way to do this, and it's called component visibility. So you can put anything you want on the page, and then you can decide when it shows up. Okay, you can put a little criteria in place for, is this lead a hot lead? Then show the thing. Is this lead in California? Then show the thing. But it's not just based on the record you're looking at. You can do it based on the person looking at it. So for example, are you a sales rep who's been at the company less than 90 days? Maybe I add a text box or a guide or a video or something on the page for you. But the person who's been here for a year and a half, they don't need to see that. So I'm going to declutter the page for them, and I'm going to clutter the page for you, but it's for your own good, right? So this is something that's just super easy. You drag and drop a component on, you pick the field, you pick, whether it's greater than, whatever you want, whatever logic you like, and that's it. So think about having different items show up based on their status or city or what stage in the sales cycle you're in, or if you're ahead or behind the competition. On your opportunity page, you could say something like, did they pick Acme as the competitor? If they did, I'm going to put this thing on the page that says, here's a link to how we beat that competitor. Here's some things you should know about the competitor. Ask Iman, he's an expert in the competitor. But there's lots of little things like that you can do really anywhere. And on the home page, this is a great thing because you can add spiffs, training resources, announcements, and you can customize. You don't have to build a whole new page for that one message. You can just put some component visibility in there that goes, if their title is sales rep, tell them about the spiff. And that's it. So let me show you how this works. So let's go to my page, like the lead page, and I'm going to edit the page. And it doesn't matter what component you want to toggle. You can toggle entire sets of tabs, entire lists. You can have reports or charts show up on here or not. But I'm going to drag and drop a little indicator in here, a rich text component. Why not? Simple. And it can be text, okay? You can even put images in here. So I'm just going to take a screenshot just so you can see. You can even just paste images in here, which is pretty cool. So that's another way to put visual indicators on a page. You can put links in here. So links. Okay, the best link, all right? And there you go. Now that's there all the time, unless I add a component, a filter, a component visibility. So do you want to do it off of a regular record or something else? So, you could just pick fields off the record, or you can go to the advanced section, and this will let you do stuff based off the record, based off the user, or based off permissions assigned to the user. So do you have this permission? If you do, you see it. If you don't have the permission, you don't see it. In this case, I'll do the record, and I'll do score, lead score, okay? And again, I can say if the lead score is, wrong one, total score. Total. If the total score is greater than 10. So if it's greater than 10, show this. If it's not, don't show this. Much like that little green indicator we had before, right? So it's a red indicator. Oh, there we go. So I picked a different lead. So let's take it off now. Here we go. Take it off. This score is really low, so it's going to go from 20. So it's going to go from green and this thing showing up to red and that thing not showing up. Really easy. You can do that on any element. Add, remove tabs, add, remove components, add this header, don't have the header. Anything on the page, you can do that with. Very easy.